Hi everyone, today I am super excited to unbox these new speakers. This is Acton 2 from Marshall. It's in the market from last 4-5 years. Now they have Acton 3 as well. This one is the Bluetooth version, does not come with a voice assistant, though they do have a variant that supports Alexa as well, and it is a welcome addition to your home, I must tell you. And look at this. I love this textured vinyl covering, the weaved front with the Marshall logo, and these gorgeous looking brown and gold accents. Marshall as a brand is known for its design language and clear, crisp, rich sound. These also have these 4 rubber pads at the bottom for the support, and top panel has all the controls, this tactile power button and 3 brass knobs to control volume, bass and treble. It also has a 3.5 mm input and is powered by 3 Class D amplifiers to support the 30-watt subwoofer and 2 dual tweeters of 15-watt each. So in total we get 60-watt output. It also has a Marshall app through which you can custom tune your presets and basically control everything. So let's do a quick sound check.
Shining on a cloudy day, and it don't matter what you say, 'cause even if the sky is falling, I'ma do it anyway. So save your worries, slide your loving. I can feel that good things coming. Finally believe that it's gonna be a bright one here. There's nothing wrong on the horizon, but I'm always in my own head. Yeah, I was getting tired of trying, forgetting everyone.